Mommy, hoy, huwag ka magpapuyat. Palakihan kayo ni Ann Curtis ng eye bags. May eye bags ba ako?
Isabel Daza looks, acts, and talks like tuod. I don't know what tuod is, so it's not offensive to me.
Napakapangit mo, mukhang bakla. Payatot. Yeah, I had my surgery done in Thailand, you know.
Ang pangit na ni Gerald Anderson. Mukha na siyang gorilla. Hashtag rated K.
It's not that I hate Ann Curtis, but her concert is something I can never tolerate as an artist and a Filipino. Wow! Wala kayong pakialam kung gusto kong mag-concert at magka-album. Wala kayong pakialam.
Ang tsaka ng The Possessed, Niemas. Mukhang timang si Solan Yusuf. Sorry, I don't speak Tagalog. Ano ba yung timang?
Oops!
I think Belle Daza slept walk her way through showbiz. Wake up. I think you're baroque. It's sleepwalked. Tama ba yun?
Kadiri yung kilikili ni Gerald Anderson, flash flood. Hashtag GGB. Problema ko ba sa kilikili ko? Ha?
Ang pangit ng fingers ni Solan Yusuf. Ay, agree ako dyan. Chorizo.
Bakit ang budoy ni Ann Curtis minsan? Ewan ko.